Hey, Westchester. So Q1 of 2024 just finished, and the market report is here. Let's see what happened between January 2024 to March 2024. The most important headline is that this has been the slowest quarter in 14 years. We haven't seen us close under 100 and closer to exactly what we did is 76 homes, and closer to that since 2010 was 69 homes. And although the volume, the total volume is down, it doesn't mean that the market is bad. What it means is there's not enough inventory. If you look at our boundary between Turnpike to the 826 and from 8th Street all the way down to Miller, that section there is what they were trying to incorporate as the city of Westchester. We only see 3 months of inventory. So if no new homes go up for sale in 3.5 months in 3.5 months, we'd be completely out of homes. That's the way that it gets measured. That's the absorption rate. Now, a neutral market has between 6 and 7 months of inventory, meaning that no one really has the negotiating power. A buyer can find more homes on the open market. A seller might have a couple more options. Anything over that, so 7+ months, we're looking at a buyer's market because sellers don't have that many options. They might just take the offers that are going because there's a lot of different options for the buyers. So we're seeing that it was a very slow quarter in terms of volume, not price. Prices have increased over 200% since 2013 when I was looking at this. So you can see that it goes from the low 200s, and we just finished up this quarter for Q1 at $716,000 for the average 3-2 with 1,700 square feet. It was an 8.3% increase from last year, where the average home for Q1 was 661. And we have been in constant demand in just 4 years from basically the pandemic. Homes have increased 67% and over 200% in a decade. So if you're ever wondering if you should bet on real estate, bet on it long term. These are the statistics. This isn't how I feel. This is what it is showing. Now, homes, there's all kinds of homes that are selling. The cheapest one that we saw was for $400,000 and it sold in 1 day. The most expensive homes take longer. So here we saw a home in Olympia Heights sell for $2.2 million. All these homes are very modern, nice pools, good amenities, top of the line appliances. And we saw another one sell for $1.46. So these are the two homes that sold for the most expensive in our area for Q1 of 2024. And you can see that it takes a little bit longer to find that 1% buyer. So this home sold in 113 days. And this home sold in 224 days. But what about the other homes? So how long does it take for a home to sell in Westchester? And like I mentioned before, it's going to depend on the price point. So homes under 500,000, they get picked up right away. So this one, the average was 300 market days. There's one home that took a little bit longer, delaying everything, but typically we're under 30 market days here, and there's not too many homes that go on the market under 500,000. This is the bulk of the homes that we see here in our area, between 500,000 to just under $1 million, and it's taking about 37 market days to find that buyer for the home. From $1 million to 1.9 million, it's taking longer, so we're sitting here about 4 to 5 months. Is what we're seeing here for the market days. It's getting close to 6 months at 180. And over $2 million, it's not taking as long, 113 days, which is interesting. So there's still demand for homes that are expensive, that have nice amenities and big lots. Maybe these homes, the lots aren't as big and they have nicer features. So it just depends on the home. So that one, these are more case by case, but this is the average. These are the statistics that are coming out. And then here's my information down here. I also wanted to share, I can share here. I wanted to share the statistics so you can see everything that's come up. So we saw 76 homes sell. The average home was a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,700 square feet. They were listing it at $742. And they were receiving $716. which puts the price per square foot at $429 and 42 days on average. What I showed before, I know that I said it was 37 days, is because of the price point. So when you start removing and you start looking at the price points, they adjust it. So you see here that the one that sold for the lowest sold for $400,000 in 1 day. Now the one that sold for the highest, 2.2 in 224 days. So we can kind of see there what's going on there. And then if you want to look at the median, it's fine. But what's important here is the price per square foot. You want to look at the averages if you have the average home. If you have a bigger home, then we can look at these higher statistics here. So anyway, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know if there's any other videos that you feel that would be helpful. And don't forget to follow everything for Westchester.